First you want to start on top of Tiki Island, talk to the spy NPC there, and he will provide you with options to buy clues off of him for fragments. It's not really necessary, but it does help you get a better idea on what to do. Next you want to drop straight down into the little hidden staircase room and talk to the Shark Hunter NPC. There you can buy 2 accessories, the Shark Necklace and Terror Jaw. Once you unlock those 2, you will be able to craft a 3rd item, the Monster Magnet, which you will need to summon the Leviathan. But before you can craft these items, you will need to collect the materials by going on expeditions to the Rough Sea. There you're going to have to fight monsters and collect the various different drops. This is the Rough Sea. You should use your Ken to dodge the lightning bolts, or else you're going to get kicked off your ship, and if something spawns, then you're gonna die. There are really only 2 things you should be hunting. First, the white boat raid. It always spawns with 2 boats and it drops a gold rock item. I recommend using a boat with a lot of HP, and I also recommend bringing a friend along. It makes killing the monsters and keeping the boat alive much easier. The next monster you need to hunt is the Terror Shark Raid boss. He's very tough and I recommend having a friend come along. The Terror Shark drops either a mutant tooth or terror eyes, and both are used to create the items. The farther you get away from Tiki Island, the more your compass fills up and the more dangerous it becomes. What you want to look for next are little sharks, which are pretty easy to find, and they drop shark teeth, which is a common item. After the sharks, you want to look for these little electric wingy things. They like to buzz around a lot and they drop electric wings, which is also part of the items. After you've collected all the items and you've crafted the monster magnet, head out back to sea, and if you make it into the level 6 area, then you can summon the Leviathan. If this helped you out in any way, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.